2 years ago, Daniel sat at a small table in his apartment staring at his bank account on his phone. The balance read $72.43. Rent was due in 4 days, and his next paycheck would barely cover it. There were no investments, no savings account, and no financial safety net. Just a debit card, a monthly paycheck, and a quiet feeling that something about the way money worked in his life needed to change. Daniel was not careless with money. He worked full-time, paid his bills, and tried to avoid debt. But every month seemed to follow the same pattern. Income arrived, expenses followed, and by the end of the month, almost nothing remained. It felt like running forward without ever making progress. One evening, he decided to try something simple. Instead of guessing where his money went, he wrote down every expense from the previous month. Rent, groceries, transportation, subscriptions, and small everyday purchases. At first, the list looked normal, but when he added everything together, something unexpected appeared. Many of the expenses were small, yet they happened constantly. Coffee, quick convenience purchases, online subscriptions he barely noticed anymore. None of them seemed large individually, but together they quietly absorbed a significant portion of his income. For the first time, Daniel could clearly see how money was flowing through his life. That awareness became his first step toward building wealth. The next month, he created a small rule for himself. Before spending anything else, he would move a small portion of his paycheck into savings. At first, the amount was modest, just $50 every time he was paid. The number felt small compared to his expenses, but the goal was not the amount. The goal was building the habit. For the first time, saving happened before spending, not after it. Within a few months, something interesting began to happen. Because that money was already set aside, Daniel slowly adjusted his spending around what remained. The change was subtle, but it created something he had never had before, a small financial gap between income and expenses. That gap became the beginning of his emergency fund. Life has a way of testing financial progress. One winter afternoon, Daniel's car needed repairs that cost several $100s. In the past, that expense would have gone directly onto a credit card. But this time something was different. The emergency savings he had been building slowly covered the repair. It was not a dramatic financial victory, but it was an important one. For the first time, an unexpected expense did not push him backward. With that foundation in place, Daniel moved to the next step, allowing his money to grow. He opened a simple investment account and began contributing small amounts regularly. At the beginning, the numbers looked almost insignificant. The account grew slowly, and the market sometimes moved up and down in ways that seemed confusing. But Daniel avoided the mistake many beginners make. Instead of constantly checking prices or trying to predict market movements, he followed a simple system. Contribute consistently. Leave the investments alone. Allow time to do its work. Months turned into years, and something subtle began to change. The growth that once seemed invisible slowly became noticeable. Small contributions combined with time began creating steady progress. At the same time, Daniel focused on improving another part of his financial life, his ability to earn more. He invested time in learning new skills related to his job, taking on responsibilities that helped him grow professionally. The increases in income were gradual, but each improvement created more room in his financial system. The real challenge appeared when his income started to rise. Many people experience something called lifestyle inflation. When income increases, spending often rises with it. Larger apartments, new gadgets, more expensive habits. Daniel made a different decision. Each time his income increased, he allowed a small improvement in his lifestyle, but he directed a meaningful portion of the increase towards savings and investments. This allowed his financial progress to accelerate without drastically changing how he lived. Over time, the system became easier to maintain. Saving no longer required constant effort. It happened automatically. Investments continued growing quietly in the background. Financial decisions became calmer and less stressful. 5 years after that moment when he first examined his finances, Daniel looked at his accounts again. The numbers were very different. His emergency fund was fully built. His investments had grown steadily. His savings were consistent, and his income had improved. The change had not come from a single opportunity or a lucky investment. Instead, it came from a series of small decisions repeated over time. First, awareness, then saving before spending, then building protection through an emergency fund, then investing patiently, then increasing income while maintaining discipline. None of these steps felt dramatic when they happened, but together they quietly transformed Daniel's financial life. This is often how wealth actually begins, not through sudden breakthroughs or perfect timing, but through systems that guide everyday behavior. Small improvements repeated consistently create momentum. Over time, that momentum becomes stability, and stability eventually becomes wealth.